Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, TD, back on your screens once again. So I have a few announcements, okay? I have a new announcements that I have to share with you guys. First is that tomorrow, which is Friday, we're going live at 7:30. So invite your friends, for my friends, and ensure that you guys are present at 7:30. I'm gonna try to, tell you guys what I've been up to, but just a little hint, I am working on my second masterclass. Not just that, I will be hosting a ton. When I say a ton, I'm talking about a ton of lives with natural enthusiasts, people that have a lot of knowledge to share, business owners. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do the right thing and make sure that you're following me on my Instagram. It's literally at TD Radebe. Literally, that's it. There's nothing special, no underscore, no nothing, just TD Radebe as is. Just like how you see my name on my channel, that's exactly what you type on Instagram. That's it. That's all you gotta do. So you guys, I'm a little bit conflicted, but we're going to discuss all of this tomorrow so that I can hear you guys' opinion. So please make sure that tomorrow you are ready to be typing, okay? Because I'm going to be asking you all a lot of questions because I need you guys' input, especially those who did attend my first masterclass. Y'all already know like the gist of it, but let us focus on today's video. I'm going to be talking to you guys about clarifying shampoos versus moisturizing shampoos. When are you supposed to use them? What's the difference between these two? Can you use them both? Can you not? All that kind of good stuff. And I thought, let us keep it local and lacquer, and I decided to use Afrobotanics as a clarifying shampoo and Native Child as a moisturizing shampoo. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Okay, my people, so I did something very ungodly, and I think it's time for me to repent and ask for forgiveness, which is that I left my pre-poo. You remember I did like that flaxseed gel situation with the hemp seed? It's still under this cap. It's still under this cap, and at this point I just feel like I need to repent. And I don't know, I think I need the Holy Communion at this point in time. But let me show you guys how my hair is looking. So I've left this on for I think about 2 days or 3 days now. I'm not sure. My days have been so crazy and I really had not time to wash my hair. So let's see. I hope I don't look crazy. You know what? It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. But I think I already showed you guys. My hair is now obviously completely dry. And I think there is some, how do I put it, there is the gunk that you get when you remove your products. I'm actually happy that I left my poo-poo on for so long, because this clarifying shampoo is going to be put to the real test. So I first want to discuss with you a few differences as to like why is it that you should use a clarifying shampoo and why you should use a moisturizing shampoo, okay? Because you need both, okay? Unfortunately, you do need both. Now, reason number one as to why you need a clarifying shampoo is so that it can be able to remove any sort of product buildup, because you guys know I had used the unicorn tears, I have been using my leave-in conditioner, I've been using hibiscus. All of those products, they build up and they start to clog your scalp, and we don't want that. And that's why that's reason number two, is that it actually unclogs your follicles, ensure that it gives you a fresh, rejuvenated, clean scalp, to ensure that you are working on something fresh and your hair can grow on a fresh surface kind of vibes. It's kind of like if you are into planting, you know how you change your soil, because the plant has like absorbed all of, by the way, shout out to my lace fern, it's growing like out of hand. Can we just take a moment? Can we take a moment? Thank you very much. And that's why you change your soil, by the way, so that you can allow for new nutrients to be absorbed by the plants. So basically that's kind of how it works with your hair kind of vibes. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So the other thing, the reason why you also use a clarifying shampoo is to restore your hair's pH balance, and obviously that will simply mean that it will take off all the gunk and all the kind of, because sometimes all of these products, sometimes they throw off our pH, especially if you're using a wrong product on your hair. The best way to get your scalp back to normal is if you use a clarifying shampoo, so that, for example, if you used a aloe vera mist on your hair, for example, and your hair didn't like it, the best way to really make sure that it's out of your hair is if you use a clarifying shampoo. All right, then we're going to discuss why you would use a moisturizing shampoo. Okay, and to differentiate between these two, it's pretty simple. The brand will say that this is a clarifying shampoo, as it does here, and the brand will also say that this is a moisturizing shampoo. You can also look at the ingredient list, like I already taught you guys, and you will see that the moisturizing shampoo will contain humectants in it. Humectants are basically, you know, just ingredients that have the ability to absorb moisture and contain moisture and make sure that it stays and retain, yes, that's the word, it has the ability to retain moisture and also take it from the sky, from the earth, from the environment, from the everything, and just like soak it into your hair kind of vibes. Okay, yeah. So also the other thing is, if you're struggling with not being able to get like bomb twist outs, okay, if your twist outs are not coming out right, it's a good sign that you should start using a clarifying shampoo, because your hair needs it and it's screaming that, hey, I need to be rebalanced again. Okay, so why you would use a moisturizing shampoo? So that you can restore shine, moisture. This product actually ensures that your hair keeps its moisture for a bit longer than normal. This does not add moisture, this removes everything, this restores moisture. Okay, it also helps with reducing frizz because of all the moisture that it adds into your hair. Not just that, some of these products will contain natural ingredients in them, those that ensure that it has humectants, like I already said. Basically, that's the difference between the two. I use a moisturizing shampoo regularly, and I use this maybe once a month. Okay, it's up to you, it depends. If you're somebody that wears like your hair out a lot and you use products, heavy products on your hair, like styling products, I would suggest that you can even get away with using it every wash day. So how I'm gonna use it in today's video, I'm gonna use both. I'm going to first strip my hair of everything thoroughly, make sure that I start from scratch, and then right afterwards I'm going to use a moisturizing shampoo so that I can restore the moisture that this product would have taken from my hair, and my hair will be balanced once again. So I'm going to see you guys in the bathroom as I wash all of this freaking 3-day poo-poo that's in my hair, putting Afrobotanics to the true test. Let's go. Alrighty, so I'm just going to make sure that I soak my hair and just kind of wash my hair with water before I move on to my clarifying shampoo by Afrobotanics, which is normally a clear color and the consistency is very gel-like. And I'm just going to focus that on my scalp, and this process takes me about like 5 to 8 minutes of just really washing my scalp and really massaging it and giving it the time and love that it needs. And I'm being very gentle as I go. It definitely did strip my hair. No lies, but not like in a negative way. And then I'm going to move on to my Native Child moisturizing shampoo. It was also, the color of it was quite clear, which was a little bit confused because normally moisturizing shampoos are creamy and white in consistency, but you know what, I'm here for it. Rinse that out, and I'm just going to show you guys how my hair looked like. It was very, very clean. I think this is probably the cleanest my hair has been in a very long time. It's kind of like you detoxing your hair. And just going to wrap my hair in a microfiber towel while it's dry, and that's literally it, you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.